English conversation practice. Hey there. How was your day? It was good, thanks. I had a fun time at school. That's awesome. Did you learn anything cool? Yeah, we learned about space and planets. It was super interesting. Wow, space sounds amazing. I'd love to learn about that too. You should. It's really fascinating. What did you do today? I played soccer with some friends. I wish I could join you. Soccer is so much fun, definitely. You should come next time. I'd love to. Maybe we can form a team. That's a great idea. We'd be unstoppable. Yes, for sure. So, what's your favorite subject in school? I really enjoy art. Painting and drawing are my jam. That's cool. I like math. Solving problems is like a puzzle. Math is like a superpower. You're lucky to be good at it. Thanks. We all have our strengths, right? Absolutely. So, any plans for the weekend? I'm going to the park with my family. How about you? I'm having a movie night with friends. Wanna join? Sounds fun. I'll be there. What movie are we watching? Let's watch a comedy. Laughter is the best medicine, I couldn't agree more. It's going to be a great night, totally. Hey, do you have a favorite book? Yes, Harry Potter is my all-time favorite. How about you? I love The Hunger Games. It's so thrilling. Both are amazing choices. We have good taste. Absolutely. Hey, have you tried that new ice cream place? Not yet, but I heard it's delicious. Let's go together. Deal. We'll try all the flavors. Haha, it's a plan. So, what do you want to be when you grow up? I think I want to be a veterinarian. I love animals. That's wonderful. They need someone like you. Thanks. How about you? Any dream job? I would love to be a chef. Cooking is my passion. You would make amazing dishes, I'm sure. Thanks, buddy. We could open a restaurant together. That would be a dream come true. Let's do it. Haha, yes. We'll make the best team.